How to deactivate Google Photos account. So if you want to deactivate Google Photos account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Photos application. And after that, go with the profile which is on the top right. Now tap on backup and complete. Or you may also have an option of backup and sync or synchronization. So you just need to simply go with that option, and here you will have the toggle button, right? If your backup is on, then you can simply go and turn your backup off. And once you turn your backup off, then it will not upload any photos to your Google Photos and your account will not be used, right? That's one way. But the other way is you can just go and disable the application. You can tap and hold on to that application and then go with app info. Now here in the middle, you'll have the disable option. You can simply tap on disable and then disable the application, which will just stop the application. So that's the only way to deactivate, but we don't have any other options. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.